Hi everyone, Ravi this side. Welcome to Engineering Adda. Today in this video, we are going to see how we can create a EC2 instance in AWS practically. In the previous video, we have discussed about the EC2 instance and the key terms related to the EC2 instance. In this video, we are going to practically see how we can create the EC2 instance in AWS console. So let's get started for that. And before going to create a EC2 instance in AWS console, let me try to walk you through the key terms that we have discussed in the previous video. So here I'm not going to explain you the terms one by one. What I will do, I will try to go one by one through the slides and then just show you the key terms that we have discussed in the previous video. So let me try to go through that and then we'll go to the AWS console and try to practically create a EC2 instance. So let me try to walk you through the key terms. So first of all, we have discussed about the EC2 and then what is the instances, what are the instance type, Amazon machine images, AMIs, what are they, what is elastic load balancing, what is auto scaling, what is security groups and network access, what is key pairs, what is elastic block store, what is instance life cycle, what is region and availability zone, what is instance metadata and the user data. So keep this term in mind. I will show you where you can find those things and details about them when we are going to create the EC2 instance. So these are the terms that we have discussed. Now let me try to go to the AWS console and show you how you can create the EC2 instance in the AWS console. So let me try to come out of this slide and let me try to go there. And here you can see I already have opened the AWS console for you. So if you are new to the AWS console, don't worry about it. So basically what you can do, you can go to the services and there you will find the service provided by the AWS. We have discussed these things in the previous video. So you can see we have the services provided by the AWS, which is analytics, blockchain, compute, containers, developer tool, machine learning, Internet of Things, and so many other services provided by the AWS. If you'll come here above, you will find this service provided by the AWS, which is compute. Inside the compute, you will find this EC2 instance. So go to the EC2 instance and there you will find the page of EC2 instance where you can create a EC2 instance for you. So you can see these are the terms mentioned here in the EC2 instance console. Instances, elastic IPs, load balancers, snapshot, auto scaling groups, instances, placement group, volumes, and some of these terms we already have discussed there, right? So this is the home page, or you can say the main page for the EC2 instance. Now if you come down, you will find this launch instance. This is the option where you can come and try to create a EC2 instance for you. So here you can see it is mentioned that to get started, launch an Amazon EC2 instance, which is a virtual server in the cloud. So this is the option to launch a AWS EC2 instance for you. If you go down, you will find the others terms also, or others, but I would say options also, like service health and instance alarm, schedule events, okay, and migrate a server. So these are not we are going to discuss here. Now, if you want to create a EC2 instance, try to launch the instance here. So when you click on the option to launch the instance, you will come here to the another page where it is showing you how you can launch an instance. Okay, so launch an instance. Amazon EC2 allows you to create a virtual machines or instances that run on AWS cloud. Quickly get started by following the simple step below. So here you can provide the name and the tags for your instance. So let's say we are going to create a test instance here. So let's say the name of the instance is test_instance. Okay. Now, if you'll come down, you will find this application and OS images. We have discussed about this Amazon machine images, right? So the Amazon already provide couple of pre-developed Amazon machine images that you can directly use, like Amazon Linux, Amazon OS, Ubuntu, Windows, Red Hat. And apart from that, you can also browse for more AMIs and you can look into it. Here we are going to use this Amazon Linux to create our AWS EC2 instance. So just select any of them as per your need. Here we are going to use the Amazon Linux, okay? And this is also free. You can see this Amazon Linux 2023 MIs, and this is free. You can see free tier eligible. So we are just going to use this Amazon Linux. So just select any of the AMIs here, and if you'll go down, you will find the description of this AMI that you have selected. Okay, architecture is 64-bit and port mode is this, AMI ID is this. Okay, so just go down and you will see this instance type is T2.micro, which is a free tier eligible. If you want to search for the other instance type, you can come here and then just go scroll down. Okay, so you'll find multiple instance type. According to your need, you have to select it out. We are just going to select this T2.micro, which is a free tier eligible one. Now if you'll come down, you will find this key pair, which help us you to connect your EC2 instance from your local machine. So you can see you can use a key pair to securely connect to your EC2 instance. So let's say you have created your EC2 instance and you want to connect to that EC2 instance. So how you will connect it? This key pair will help you in connecting with your EC2 instance. So this is what key pair is, and ensure that you have access to the selected key pairs before you launch an instance. So what you have to do with this key pair is you just go to the select option, and if you have not created any key pairs, it won't show you here. If you have created already some key pairs, it will be coming up here and you can select that out. But when you are going to first time create your EC2 instance, just create a new key pair for you. Okay, so just click on this option, and here you will find multiple options like key pairs type is RSA or ED. So I'm just going to select the key pair type is RSA, and I'm just going to use this .ppk file for the key pair because I'm using this putty to connect with the EC2 instance. So just select this .ppk file, and here you have to provide the name of the key pair. So let's say test_key pair. Okay, now just create a key pair here, and you can see it is downloaded here. So keep it somewhere that in some folder so that you can use when you are going to connect with your EC2 instance. So keep it at some secure place or safe place. Okay, now let me try to go down, and here you will find this network setting. So this will help us in connecting with your application from wherever you want. Okay, so let's say you have created a EC2 instance, you deployed an application on that EC2 instance, and you want to connect with your application. So from where you want to connect your application from, that you have to define here in the network setting. So you will find this, it is selected as allow SSH traffic from anywhere, and the IP is also defined here. Okay, so this is about that. We are not going to do anything here. And now if you'll go down, you will see this configure storage, and in the storage we have 8 GIB and GP3. Okay, so don't touch on this. And if you'll go down on the advanced details, you will find domain join directory and IAM instance profile, host type. So don't touch on these things. Okay, so if you want to just increase your knowledge on those details, then you can go through these fields and just keep reading on those things. Okay, so this is about this, and now you can directly come here and launch the EC2 instance. So just launch it and wait for few seconds. So you can see it is saying that launching instance, and it is saying successfully initiated launch of the instance. So go to that. Either you can go to the instance here, and you will find the instance that you have created here. So you can see this, the name of the instance is test_instance, and it is created here. The status of that instance is still pending, and in few seconds or few minutes, it will be up and running. So you can see it is started running. Now if you go to the right, you will find this instance type and others availability zone. So if you'll see this availability zone, this is available in AP Northeast 1C, and these are the public IP for you, and these are the other details related to this EC2 instance. Okay, so you can look into it, and if you select this, the downside you will find the details as well. So you can see this instance summary, and this is the host, or you can say public IP for this instance, from where you can access this instance. And if you'll go down, you'll find the other option as well. Okay, so just try to read through these things and see what all the things are listed down here. Okay, so this is how you can create a EC2 instance in AWS. If you go to the status and alarm, you will find this, it is running. And if you go to the metrics, you will see this matrix related to this EC2 instance. Okay, and let me try to minimize it out. Alarm also you can go and explore. Go to the monitoring, you'll find this details here, and you can go and just try to see how it is behaving. If you'll go to the security, you will find the security groups associated with EC2 instance, which is this one. And if you'll go to the networking, you can see this IPs are mentioned here. Okay, if you'll go to the storage, you will see the storage that are associated with this EC2 instance. And tags, we have not mentioned anything, but we have provided only the EC2 instance name, which is test underscore instance. So this is mentioned here. So this is about the EC2 instance. Now, if you want to change the instance state from running to stop or terminate, you can come here and you can find those things here. So let's say as of now this is running and you don't want to use this EC2 instance, so you can go and stop this EC2 instance. If you want to restart it, you can use this reboot. And if you want to delete this EC2 instance, you can use this terminate option. So these are the options available. And as of now, I'm just going to stop this EC2 instance, and this will stop here. So it will take a few seconds. You can see it is stopping, and in few seconds it will be successfully stopped. So this is how you can create a EC2 instance in AWS. In the upcoming video, I will try to show you how you can create a Spring Boot application and deploy that Spring Boot application to the EC2 instance. Okay, so this is about the video, guys. If you like the video, please hit the like button and please subscribe the channel for more such content. Thanks.